vertical takeoff, Dan. Full hard up. Ready? Yep. All right, go.
All right, Bert, show me how much power you got now. Punch it out one time.
Something failed. I totally
Something
lost it.
failed.
Yeah!
Last electric flight, IRCHA?
The most powerful electric I've ever flown, dude. This thing is just the most powerful electric, I said.
Helicopter?
Or helicopter, period.
Is it
There's
14S,
question.
Actro 32.4, 14S 5300s.
And who's the owner?
Yeah, I'm Tony Hilton's.
All right, guys. Hey, Heli Freak. Hey, Will James, you know I love you, man, and I still fly Century. Don't ask me again. Bye.